Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. You will take easy profits and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Let's go right now a little bit to BTC against USDT chart, as we are having a nice resistance level into the 0.5, actually 0.5, yeah, Fibonacci retracement. I will explain what, and of course we are going to see what is going to be the announcement of the Fed. We have the FOMC today, and we want to see what is it going to be. Is it going to be neutral, bearish, bullish, what? Anyway, let's start with the price target. So Bitcoin is still bearish because a lot of people have sent me, right, okay, we had this buying pressure going on, what is going to be next? I'm going to tell you about what I'm thinking for BTC. I think that first of all, there are two scenarios right now, which two scenarios lead to the same way, but with different paths. If you can here see on your screen, we are facing a resistance level right now at the 21.4K. The best thing BTC can do is, if I just remove all these drawings, remove the super trend as well, you can see that it is very possible that Bitcoin could manage to go at the 21.6K to 21.7K. All right, so these are the two targets before we go down. All right, so maybe Bitcoin could do this, or from where it is right now, it will just correct. Let's see a little bit the daily frame though to understand some things more. On the daily frame, if we go in the daily scale right here, we had a buying pressure going on at a candlestick that seems like not bearish, right? Because if we were bearish enough, we wouldn't have this type of candlestick right here with a huge lower shadow and a huge buying volume. But in overall, these candlesticks can be also some fake outs, right? We could have these candlesticks, however, we could fall down more into the next day. Anyway, what I'm expecting from Bitcoin is maybe to touch the 21.6 to 21.7K. Look at where the 20-day MA is. Anyway, it is a little bit above the 21.6, okay? And maybe we are going to retrace, or we are going to retrace right afterwards, okay, in the next just few hours. So these are the possible paths that lead to the same way. Correction. And here is what I want to point out. Today we have the Fed announcement, okay? And what I think about it is that BTC is not going to be affected so much. We all know that by the end of the year, the Fed will just hike the rates, okay? And we will have more interest rates and higher interest rates. However, the case right here is that although we know about that, I do not think that it will affect the market too much, as really we know where things are going. And I feel like the news actually are going to be neutral around there, okay? To bearish, neutral to bearish, I would say. They won't affect the market so much, but we won't hear something unexpected. This is what I'm trying to say. And I saw yesterday that they do not know in the United States what is a recession, right? I'm not sure if I'm correct about that. USA citizens can correct me if I'm wrong, but I saw that they do not know what recession is, and we are already in there. But anyway, for the time being, I think that BTC is not going to be affected so much by the news. I do not think that BTC is, for example, right now bullish. I think that BTC is bearish, but at the end of the day, quite a nice pump could be, a small pump actually could be in the 4-hour frame, going a little bit to the 20-day MA or the 50-day EMA. Now, Bill, you will ask me, what are the next support levels? And I will reply to you that I think that BTC is going to drop down into the 20K. Yeah, we are going to meet this line right here, and potentially from here we have some chances into seeing our next huge buying pressure that could lead all the way up again to the 21.7K, but we are going to see from that. I'm not so sure about if we are going to go there. We will see, we will check it out. And of course, we are waiting so much for the news, although I think that they are going to be neutral bearish. Maybe some people will just sell more. I do not think that it will affect the market too much, in my personal humble opinion though, but I'm expecting the 20k over the next days, not today, over the next days. As on the 4-hour frame, in the short term, I told you that two scenarios right here. If we correct from here at the same time right now, then we are going to go quicker down. Okay, if we go to the 21.6k to 21.7k first and then correct, it is going to take some time more, maybe by the next day or the next 1 to 2 days. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and the comment section. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.